Today at the Presidential Palace, the President of the Republic, José Ramos-Horta, met with the Chargé d'Affaires of Vietnam, Pham Binh Dam.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure and honor to be the first Chief of Mission of Vietnam, resident Chief of Mission of Vietnam in Timor-Leste. The government of Vietnam, the people of Vietnam have deep aspiration and long-standing relationship with the people and the country of Timor-Leste. We've been supporting Timor-Leste for the struggle for independence and for the efforts for development and for the international and ASEAN integration. We congratulate Timor-Leste for becoming the latest ASEAN member, and we are committed to work with the ASEAN member to support the integration and the ASEAN chairmanship of Timor-Leste in 2029. And today I have a great honor to have an audience on His Excellency the President. And I express the commitment of Vietnam to fully support Timor-Leste in its development efforts, in its ASEAN and international integration effort. And we would like to express our willingness to enhance cooperation with Timor-Leste in all areas: diplomacy, political, economics. And we are ready to, the embassy is ready to work as a platform for coordination with various ministries, agencies, institutions in Timor-Leste to enhance cooperation and to bring tangible results for the benefits of the people of Vietnam and people of Timor-Leste. Thank you very much.
The discussion focused on strengthening bilateral relations between Timor-Leste and Vietnam, including cooperation in key sectors such as trade, education, and regional engagement, with both sides reaffirming their commitment to deepening diplomatic ties and exploring new opportunities for collaboration. The meeting reflects ongoing efforts by Timor-Leste to expand its partnership within the ASEAN region and enhance mutual cooperation with Vietnam.